Hello guys, this is Triple A Diecast back with another video, and in this video, this is a special video of a new paper model made by me, and which is this one. So have a look. So it is a paper mobile crane made by me, and it is very high. As you can see, this is the carrier, the outriggers, and the crane body, and here is the boom which starts from here and ends here, and we have a bus as a load on it, as you can see. And this is the whole setup. Actually it is getting out of my camera frame, but as you can see it is balancing very nice. So how did I made it? I'll put some photos after this short video, and you can also try it making at home. So this is not a perfect scale. I think it is in 1:64 scale. So these are the outriggers I made from screws, and these I made from wood and later painted them. So the crane body, this is only made up of paper. So what I'll do, I'll just give you a nice view from all sides. This is a counterweight, this is the crane body, this is the winch I made from the motor which comes in that pullback cars, and here is the boom starts, here is the rope. It goes all the way up. This is the telescopic boom, which is, this one is the bigger, the little smaller up till here, and here is the hoist rope, and here is the load, which is a bus. So I'll disassemble it and I'll show you. So guys, these are all the parts. These are the boom sections. I made them from cardboard paper and later painted them yellow. So these are the four, and this one is the main boom, which is attached via this rope to this winch. This is actually a motor which I took out from a pullback car. This is the counterweight, which is removable. So I have filled it with screws so to put some weight, and this is the crane body. This took me a lot of geometry and all that to make, and these are the outriggers. These are removable again. Wait, I'll remove it. So these are the outriggers. So these are the, as you can see, when I took out the outriggers, the crane body is falling down. So I'll remove the crane body also. So this is the crane body, and all these parts here, it took me 2 weeks to make these outriggers. This part is screw, normal screw, and this here is wood. So I attached this with glue and some sticky tape to make these outriggers. So these are very strong and it can hold the crane. So I made 4 of these. Then the crane body, all these wheels I have attached wood over here, and this is the main support for this crane body, and this is the engine, this is the cab, and this is normal crane body. So this is the main crane. This I made up of paper. This is the winch. This is also the main boom I made up of paper, and this is the gear which comes in some RC toys, and here is the rope which comes here, wounds over here and goes up. So it acts like a support, so it does not bend too much down due to this rope. And all these boom sections we go on attaching on top of each other to get a bigger crane. And this was the load, the dummy load of the paper bus which I made 2 months ago. And this was the crane which I made, guys. So I'll put the photos of the steps which I followed for making this crane. So hope you guys like this video, and stay awesome, stay cool, stay subscribed, and stay tuned for more paper models like this.